Are you tired of spending hours in Excel, manually navigating through menus, and using your mouse to complete tasks? Well, today we're going to show you how to save at least 2 hours per day by mastering the power of Excel keyboard shortcuts. In 2026, with the increasing demand for data analysis, Excel has become an essential tool for office workers and data analysts. But are you aware that using keyboard shortcuts can increase productivity by up to 30%? This is because shortcuts enable you to perform tasks quickly and efficiently, reducing the time spent on repetitive tasks. For example, imagine you're working on a spreadsheet with over 10,000 rows of data. If you're using the mouse to navigate through each row, it would take you around 5 to 6 minutes to scroll through the entire sheet. But with the help of keyboard shortcuts, you can navigate through the entire sheet in just 2 minutes. Let's start with the basics. One of the most commonly used shortcuts in Excel is Ctrl+A,